And now, the weather.
This is John Hamill with your Northeast Georgia weather headlines. We're looking at extremely high temperatures this week with scattered showers with about 20% chance of rain for the rest of the week and on into the weekend. Looking at some thunderstorms early next week. Tonight at around 6 p.m. we'll have temperatures of 87, high 80s, and that'll be partly cloudy. Going on into tonight, there'll be a small chance of rain, around 20%, 76 degrees, and then by midnight, we'll have small chance of rain again, and around 72 degrees. On into tomorrow, around 9 a.m., it's going to be 68 degrees, and still, again, a little bit more chance of rain. Going into noon, it's going to be about 77 degrees, and by early afternoon, we'll start to see that get into the low 80s. And then for our Northeast Georgia, we're seeing a pretty wide range of temperatures overnight, from 56 up here in Chattanooga all the way to 72 down in Augusta. Again, those are very, down here in Atlanta, 63, and Athens, 66. Again, those are very high temperatures for this time of year, when you usually see overnight temperatures in the 50s. Going on into tomorrow's forecast, our highs tomorrow, very high again for this time of year, in the low 80s, high 70s. It's going to be 83 down here in Atlanta and Augusta, 81 in Athens, in the high 70s up here in North Georgia and South Carolina. But again, usually for this time of year, you see very dry temperatures in the 70s. It doesn't usually get up to the 80s, so extremely warm weather. Now for our 5-day forecast. Rain around 20% chance of precipitation for the rest of the week. It's going to be 81 degrees tomorrow with a low of 64. Saturday it will be 80 with a low of 64. Going on into Sunday, 82 degrees, low of 64. We're going to expect some scattered thunderstorms on Monday with a high of 79 and a low of 61. And then Tuesday, we're finally going to start to see those temperatures drop a little bit, get down to a high of 70 and a low of 54, and a little bit more of a sunny sky. Onto our game day weather. It's going to be a warm, humid day here in Athens for kickoff. Partly cloudy. We're going to see some rain during the day, around a 15% chance of precipitation at kickoff. But again, it should be getting a little bit drier. Anyway, this has been John Hamill with Grady News Source.